Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get cards fast in Clash Royale. To quickly expand your collection, consistently open all available chests. Winning battles is crucial, as it earns you trophies and unlocks higher arena chests with superior rewards. Don't forget to complete your daily tasks. These often provide extra gold, gems, and even specific cards, significantly boosting your progress. Maximizing these basic activities forms the foundation for rapid card acquisition. The in-game shop is another excellent resource for cards. Always check it daily for free items, which often include a few common cards or some gold. You can also purchase specific cards you need using gold, especially when a legendary or epic card you desire appears. Keep an eye out for special offers that provide great value, sometimes including multiple cards, gems, and gold for a reasonable price. Engaging in challenges is a fantastic way to earn a large number of cards quickly. Grand challenges and classic challenges offer substantial rewards for skilled players. Clan wars are also incredibly beneficial. Active participation can net you a huge amount of gold and cards, including rare and epic ones, from the war chest. Don't forget to donate and request cards within your clan to help your teammates and earn star points. Trade tokens are a powerful tool for getting the exact cards you need. You can acquire these tokens from challenges, the shop, and clan wars. Once you have them, you can initiate trades with your clanmates to swap cards, helping both of you complete your collections faster. Remember, there are 4 types of tokens: common, rare, epic, and legendary, each for its respective card rarity. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.